they actually come to your house, so you don't have to drive nowhere, you don't have to worry about transportations. If you don't have a car, they come to your house, so you don't have to worry about anything. Like for me, it's really awesome because I have school going on for my son, so I just schedule when there's a day off and they work with you and everything. So they just come straight to the house and open up the door, come on in. My kids love them and everything. Teachers here, so they come on in. But I think it's awesome. It's a great company. I love them. My kids love them. We actually been through another company and wasn't really going well, and we switched to Circle of Care. And from Circle of Care, we noticed a big improvement with our kids, all three of them. Even the third, our youngest one's not even in speech therapy, but he'll sit at the table and get involved with it and want to learn. A connection, I would say, with my son, being comfortable with the teacher that's coming out or the speech therapist that's coming out, warming up to her, like she's brings warm vibes, I guess. They're not too pushy. If your kid doesn't want to do it, they're like, okay, they'll let them get hands-on. And usually they do like vice versa. Like, well, my son would be like, do cards. No, I want to do a book. Okay, you want to do a book? Okay, they'll just pop out the book. So I'm like, okay. And usually it'll be like, no, you need to do the book or the cards first, then the book. But it's not. So either way, they're learning. It feels really good, actually. It feels good. I feel like I'm doing good as a mother. I'm providing for him. I feel like excellent. Like, couldn't ask for more, just to hear my son talk and ask for the things that he really wants and be able to understand him. So it's at a different level now. We get to do a lot more things, go places, and not be afraid, like, oh, what if he acts out because I don't understand him? Or what if this happens? Or different scenarios that happened before that I'm not afraid that might happen. Or if it does, at least I know how to control it, like take care of it, because when the speech therapist comes, they give me advice and they're like, well, try this, try that. And all the things that they have told me has worked. They tell you all their process, all the paperwork that you need to do. If you have any questions or problems or concerns, you just talk to them and they'll tell you how to do it, or what to do if you don't have insurance, or what the payments can be, or anything. Everything is very affordable. And I have Medicaid, and my children all have Medicaid. So they take Medicaid insurance, and I think that's CHIP, all the basic Medicaid they have, and then it helped my kids, and I'm happy that I chose the Circle of Care. It's a really good program, so I think everyone should try it at least. And if the parents don't think that the kids don't need it, I think they should give it a try. It doesn't hurt to try something new for their own kids and their self. Because at the end of the day, if your child's happy, the parent's happy. And if the parent's happy, your child's happy. So it's a win-win situation.